Hi all. So today my topic is the working capital issues at Hindustan Unilever Limited. So first we can look over the company profile. Hindustan Unilever Limited is a consumer goods company based in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it's India's largest fast-moving consumer goods FMGG company with brands spread across 20 distinct consumer categories. It is a subsidiary of Unilever, a British Dutch company. HUL's products include foods, beverages, cleaning agents, personal care products, and water purifiers. HUL was established in 1933 as Lever Brothers and in 1956 became known as Hindustan Lever Limited as a result of a merger among Lever Brothers, Hindustan Vanaspati MFG. Company Limited and United Traders Limited. Unilever, which held 51.55% of the equity of HLL. With a brighter future and a heritage of over 80 years, 9 out of 10 Indian households use our products every day to feel good, look good, and get more out of their life, giving a unique opportunity to build. So next we can look over what is working capital and the different types of working capital used in this. And what is working capital? The amount of capital required in the day-to-day functioning and the capital requirement depends on the operating cycle of a firm. That is working capital. And the different types of working capital are gross working capital, net working capital, permanent working capital, and temporary working capital. And the main concept of is that the management of fixed assets and current assets has a great impact on future returns, and risk of the company managing fixed assets will help the concern in long-term decisions. There are two concepts of working capital: gross working capital and net working capital. The former means the firm's investment in current asset and later the excess of current asset over the current liabilities. The working capital requirement of a firm will depend upon the operating cycle. It is a cycle having a continuous series of steps for conversion of sales into cash. The working capital is required maintaining its liquidity in the day-to-day operation to ensure its smooth running and meets its obligations. And next we can look over the what is working capital management. A firm should maintain adequate level of working capital to meet the current obligations to maintain the uninterrupted business operations. Firm should always keep monitoring the liquidity position as it projects the company's credit image. Lack of liquidity can create a bad image among the parties interested in the firm's functioning. Also, a firm must ensure that there should be a proper balance between current assets and current liabilities, as it can affect the profitability of the firm. Greater investment in ideal current assets can result in decrease in profitability. So, the goal of working capital management is to ensure that the firm is able to continue its day-to-day operations and it has the sufficient ability to satisfy its present and future short-term expenses. There should be proper proportion between the level of current asset and current liability. So, an efficient working capital management will enable the concern to maintain a good balance between the liquidity and profitability. Estra Solomon states that liquidity measures a company's ability to meet expected as well as unexpected requirements of cash to expand its asset, reduce its liabilities, and cover up and operating losses. Now we can look out what are the objectives of working capital management. There are two main objectives of working capital management. First one is balance between liquidity and profitability, and the next one is choosing the pattern of financing. These are the main two working capital's management objective. Then now we can look out what are the problems of each UL. HLL is facing the problem that is operating with a negative working capital since 2000. Next problem is as compared to Dell, HLL was facing problems of low current assets to ratio, cash to current asset ratios, etc. and also lacking behind Dell in terms of working capital management. These are the main problems faced by them. And solutions are HLL should adopt aggressive attitude in respect of investment in current assets, which led to high percentage of operating profit. And next solution is that duration of operating cycle period should be reduced so that transformation of current asset to cash is faster. And the analysis of working capital management of HUL Limited is gross working capital and net working capital. The former means the firm's investment in current assets and later the excess of current assets of the current liability. The excess of current assets over the current liabilities provides measures of safety margin available against uncertainty and realization of current assets and flow of funds. And proper management of working capital is required to ensure that the firm is able to continue its day-to-day operations and it has the sufficient ability to satisfy its present and oncoming short-term expenses. The working capital position helps the investors, creditors, bankers, suppliers, financial institutions, government, etc. judge the stability of the enterprise. The financial institutions and individuals may be interested in investing in that company which is financially strong to meet its present and upcoming short-term expenses. Well-maintained working capital will help to create good creditors image, avoid unwanted borrowings, healthy government support, etc. And efficient working capital management will only help a firm to compete in the present global market. Working capital is the lifeblood and nerve enter of the or the nerve center of the business. So just as curriculum of blood is essential in the human body for maintaining life, working capital is very essential to maintain the smooth running of the business. No business can run successfully without an adequate amount of working capital. Working capital plays a virtual role in the impact of the business. So there exists a number of implications and gaps for equity or inquiry into working capital's management of companies. Against this background, HUL also having a good working position and we can know about the problems and we were able to know about the problems and solutions of HUL. And in short, we can say that the efficient management of working capital plays a crucial role in the successful functioning of a firm. A firm should always keep monitoring the liquidity position as it projects the company's credit image. As we know the problems and solutions, we are more aware of what to do to maintain the successful functioning of HUL and the working capital position. So, the lack of liquidity can create a bad image among the parties interested in the firm functioning, as we told that, because it will maintain or create many problems. It can also it also may reduce the buying or borrowings of this products by the users, and it can also affect the profitability of the firm. For making an analysis of liquidity profitability relationship of HUL, ratio analysis techniques of financial management can be used. So, by the observation of that, it can be seen that even though the profitability position was strong, the liquidity position of HUL is not up to the ideal level. This was the problem of working capital, or this was the main problem of working capital management or issues of HUL. So, that's all. Thank you.